Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Chevrolet Impala featuring the Summit White with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power liftgate, Bose speaker system, backup camera, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with powered windows and mirrors, power lock and unlock. Cup holder down below. Taking a look at the seats here, down to the bottom left is the power seating and lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left on the steering wheel, we have our cruise control with the heated steering wheel, and to the right we have our cluster as well as Bluetooth controls. Turning on the vehicle, we can take a look at the infotainment system. Starting off with our audio, comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We have the compass here with turn-by-turn directions from OnStar. Throwing it in reverse, you can take a look at the backup camera. Below that we have our climate controls. Hidden storage here with a 12-volt plug-in, 2 cup holders, heated seats for both driver and passenger. Here's the center console, storage up top as well as down below. Rear view mirror. Just above that we have the OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry. We can make our way to the back here. We have some Chev and Impala badging, and we can just click and hold on the key fob here to pop open the trunk. We have a ton of storage space back here. We can also go ahead and lift this bottom portion up, and reveals the spare tire with some extra storage space. Very spacious. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, cup holder down below. We have a 60/40 seat split, and we can hop inside. Back of each seat we have magazine holders, rear vents, 3-prong outlet, some storage. Handles up at the top on either side, 2 dome lights in the middle, and in the middle here we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. And here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2018 Chevrolet Impala. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.